Pip's Big Climb. Pip was a cat who loved many things. He loved chasing sunbeams, pouncing on fuzzy mice, and curling up in the warmest, coziest spots he could find. But there was one thing Pip did not love. He did not love heights. While the other neighborhood cats leaped onto tall fences and scrambled up bookshelves, Pip kept all 4 of his paws firmly on the ground. "The floor is safe," he would whisper to his toy mouse. One sunny afternoon, a beautiful bluebird with a cheerful song landed on the very highest branch of the giant oak tree in the garden. Pip watched from the kitchen window, his tail twitching with curiosity. He padded through the cat flap and into the soft grass. He stood at the bottom of the tree and looked up, and up, and up. The leaves seemed to brush against the clouds. His tummy did a funny little flip. Just then, a friendly squirrel with a bushy tail scurried down the trunk, stopping just above Pip's head. "Hello," chattered the squirrel. "Lovely day for a climb, isn't it? The view from the top is the best." Pip shuffled his paws in the grass. "I don't really like high places," he admitted in a small voice. "My paws get all wobbly and my whiskers feel all strange." The squirrel tilted his head. "The secret," he said kindly, "is to not think about the high up part. Just think about the next step. Here, I'll show you the best paw holds." Pip took a deep breath. He thought about the bluebird's pretty song. He looked at the squirrel's encouraging face. He placed one paw on the rough bark, then another. He was climbing. One branch at a time, just like the squirrel said. He didn't look down. He just looked for the next safe spot. Before he knew it, he was sitting on a sturdy